Hello, future home seller. If you're gearing up to put your Las Vegas property on the market, I've got some invaluable tips to help you make a lasting impression on potential buyers. Join me as we dive into the secrets of prepping your home for a successful sale, Las Vegas style. First things first, declutter. You'll want to remove any items that aren't necessary for day-to-day living. You can store these items neatly in the garage so they're out of sight, preferably in storage. This will help create a more open and airy feel, which buyers love. Anything to keep in mind is that buyers want to envision themselves living in your home. So it's a good idea to remove any personalized items such as family photos, decorative art pieces. This will help create a blank slate for buyers to work with. When it comes to the kitchen and bathrooms, less is more. Clear out the countertops of any clutter such as small appliances, makeup, toothbrushes. This will give the space a clean, fresh feel and make it easier for buyers to imagine themselves living there. Lighting is so important. Replace all your bulbs with daylight bulbs so it brightens up your home. This will not only create a more welcoming feel, but make it easier for professional photographers to capture the space in the best possible light. You'll also want to make sure everything is in good working order. Checking for leaky faucets, hard water stains, which is common here in Vegas. These small fixes can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your home. Don't forget about the little things too. Keep cords and cables tidy and out of sight. This will make your home feel more organized and less cluttered. Finally, make sure your windows are clean. This can do wonders for your homes in appearance, both inside and out. Professional photographers will thank you for it, and buyers will appreciate the extra effort. And there you have it. These small changes can have a huge impact, so don't underestimate their importance. Now, if you have any questions or need more advice on selling your Las Vegas home, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Monica with eXp Realty. I'm here to help you every step of the way. By following these straightforward tips, you'll transform your home into a buyer's dream. Talk to you soon.